Hello children, welcome back. So children, in our last video, we have learned the poem Can You Do It? So this is a poem written by Anita Roy. Yes children, Anita Roy is the same poet who has written The Best House, isn't it? Yes, we have learned the poem The Best House. Yes, same poet here also, okay? Yes. So children, today in this video, we are going to revise the poem again, and after that, we will do some textual questions. Okay children, you are ready, no? Yes, let's go. So children, let's learn the poem once again. Okay? Yes. Can you do what I can do? Hop like a frog, walk along a log. Yes, children. So, as I have told you already, this poem is a conversation going on between a brother and a sister. Okay? The brother is elder and the sister is younger. So, the brother asks his sister that, can you do what I can do? Can you hop like a frog? Can you walk along a log? Yes. And again he says, make a sound like a train, dance in the rain, build a stack of bricks, count up to 26. Yes. Now he again asks his sister that, can you make a sound like a train? Can you dance in the rain? Can you build a stack of bricks? Stack I already told you children, to arrange a number of things one upon another, as this boy is doing in this picture. Okay, he is making a stack of bricks. Okay, yes. So the elder brother asks his sister that, can you make a sound like a train? Can you dance in the rain? Can you build a stack of bricks? Or can you count up to 26? Okay? Yes. Now let's see the last stanza. It's okay, little sister. Don't cry, boo-hoo. Yes, children, boo-hoo. Yes, the crying sound, okay? Boo-hoo, like this. No? Okay. So, the sister is not able to give the answer to his elder brother, so she starts crying. At this, the brother feels bad and he says that, okay, my dear little sister, no need to cry. I could not do much either when I was only 2. And at last he says that, no need to cry, my little sister. When I was only 2 years old, I also could not do many things. Yes, he says that, no need to cry. When I was only 2, I could also not do many things. Yes, children, understood now this poem? Yes. Now let's go to the next slide to do some textual questions. Now children, let us do number B, answer the question, page number 32. Question is, why can't the boy's sister do these things? Yes, children, why can't the boy's sister do these things? Answer is, the boy's sister can't do these things because she is very young. Yes, children, the boy's sister can't do these things because she is very young. Number D, answer the questions. Number 1, can you do all the things in the poem? Yes, children, can you do all the things given in the poem? This question is for you only. See, I have written here 2 answers. One is with yes and one is with no. Okay. So according to you, which one is the correct? You can write it. If yes, you write the first one. If no, you can write the second one. Okay? Yes. So, the question is, can you do all the things in the poem? What are the things? Yes, what are the things? Hop like a frog, walk along a log, make a sound like a train, dance in the rain, build a stack of bricks, count up to 26. Yes. If you can do all the things, you write answer A. Okay. If you can't do some of the things, then you can write number second, that is no, I can't do all the things in the poem. Okay? Yes. Now let's go to the next question. Now children, number 2. Think of something you can't do because you are too young. Yes children, think of something you can't do because you are too young. This question is also for you. You can write your own answer also. See, I have written one answer. If you want to write, you can. If you want to write another answer, you can write that also. But as I always used to say, no, the sentence should be correct. Okay, the sentence should be correct. So I have written the answer. As I am too young, I can't walk along a log, can't sleep alone, can't climb a tree, etc. etc. means you can write more. Okay, not finished, you can write more. So I have written 3 things as a young children could not do. Walk along a log, can't sleep alone, can't climb a tree. If you want to add more, you can. Okay, understood, no? Yes. Now I have given some extra question, that is the word meaning. Okay, word meaning very important, no? Yes. So write the meaning of the following words. Okay, see, number 1, hop. Hop means to jump. Okay. Number B, log. Log means what? A branch of a tree that has fallen or been cut off. Yes, children, log is a branch of a tree that has fallen or been cut off. Number C, stack. Stack means to arrange a number of things one upon another. Yes, children, stack means to arrange a number of things one upon another. Last, number D, either. Either meaning one or the other of 2 people or things. Yes, one or the other. We can choose. Maybe the first one, maybe the second one, like that. Okay, one or the other of 2 people or 2 things. Understood now? Yes. So all these are very important. Okay. So learn it properly. Okay. So children, this much for today. We shall again meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.